safety is probably the most important issue in the transport of gas cylinders, and we see it also having comparison with other industries we produce for. Because we have also products for automotive industry, we have products for building industry, for beverages, and transport of industrial gases is one of these industries that we serve. And safety indeed plays a crucial role in this industry, mostly because the consequences of potential accident that can happen with gas cylinders can be devastating. So this safety, but if we talk about safety in this field, I would say that it refers to, let's say, sometimes simple things, such as functionality of the products. So we pay close attention, for example, to not only to the functionality of the products themselves, but also to, for example, to the fact that there are no sharp edges on the product, because when handling, to avoid any risk of injury of the operators, all sharp edges which occur, for example, after galvanization, must be smoothed, so that we are sure that nothing happens to people when operating the products. Second thing is making sure that the construction itself is absolutely safe. Because the cages are lifted with forklifts, they are lifted with cranes. Sometimes there are loops, so just small steel loops which are welded on the top of the products, and the whole weight, which is like 1.5 ton, 2 tons, is lifted just by these loops. So the loops are welded to the construction, and we must be absolutely sure that if they are lifted, and not once but multiple times over many years, nothing happens, because obviously this could have really bad consequences. I don't have to explain. But also safety is important if we talk about transport, because let's say, of course, nobody plans this, but accidents also happen. And when the truck has an accident, there are certain regulations that the transport systems must meet in order to avoid serious damage. So obviously, the cages may fall down from the truck when the truck falls down. But there are standards which define that the cylinders may not fall out of the cages, for example, which is also tested during these approvals that we talked about earlier. So simply saying, to meet all these safety standards is absolutely the most important thing in production of transport systems for gas cylinders. And of course, we are aware of it. And to meet all these standards, we consider this at every stage of production. So I already talked a bit about the designing process, but it's not just the design. Later during production, at each stage, the operators, the people that produce particular parts, are obliged to do quality checks. Then it's quality after the product is finished. And as I already mentioned before, these are regular checks which are done every year or every couple of years.